A surprising twist has emerged in the story of music composer Palash Muchal and Indian cricketer Smriti Mandhana's postponed wedding. What was expected to be a grand celebration last month turned into confusion, concern, and now, even more speculation. The wedding was suddenly put on hold after Smriti's father suffered a health scare during the festivities. Soon after, Palash himself had to be admitted to the hospital because of acidity. Since then, the couple has stayed silent, leaving everyone guessing what really happened. Now, a new photo has gone viral online. It reportedly shows Palash Muchal visiting spiritual leader Premanand Maharaj at his ashram. The image shows him sitting among a crowd, wearing a face mask. A social media user shared the picture and wrote, "I was watching 2nd December Premanand Maharaj ji's discussion and I am 100% sure the guy in the front with a mask on is Palash. I saw his hands had the same mehendi on his fingers. I double-checked his mehendi photos and the Namjap Mala bag he uses." In the comments, they added, "His bodyguard and his mom are in the video too. This really feels like a clear sign that something is seriously wrong. His dad isn't there, that's his bodyguard on chair." Also Rajpa recently, reports claimed that the wedding is back on track and that the ceremony will now take place on 7th December. However, Mandhana's brother rubbished the rumor. Just when reports started claiming that the wedding was back on track and might happen on 7th December, Smriti Mandhana's brother, Shravan, dismissed all such rumors. "I have no idea about these rumors. As of now the wedding is still postponed," Shravan said. With Palash seen visiting a spiritual leader, fans are wondering if there's more going on behind the scenes. But until the couple speaks up, all we have are guesses and viral photos. For now, an official statement from Palash Muchal and Smriti Mandhana is still awaited. Until then, the mystery continues. Actor Samantha Ruth Prabhu and filmmaker Raj Nidimoru surprised fans when they tied the knot on 1st December at the Isha Foundation in Coimbatore. The intimate ceremony, known as a Linga Bhairav Vivaha, saw the couple exchange vows in a deeply spiritual setting. Samantha looked radiant in a red Banarsi sari by Arpita Mehta, crafted in pure cotton sateen silk by a single master artisan. The sari featured delicate powderzari booties, a nishivovan border, subtle beige gold jardoji work with sari tar, cut dana, kasab embroidery, and tiny mirrors. Raj opted for an elegant ivory kurta set paired with a textured gold jacket from designer Tarun Tahilyani's label. Adding to the celebrations, Raj's sister Sheetal Nidimoru shared a heartfelt note on Instagram, officially welcoming Samantha into the family. Along with the note, she posted the first family portrait featuring the newlyweds. In her message, Sheetal wrote, "While praying to Shiva in the Chandrakund today, soaked, shivering, during the Pradoha time, I found myself embracing the Shivlingam with a heart full of tears. Not tears of pain, but tears of gratitude." She continued, "Gratitude for the peace I feel in this moment, for the clarity that has settled around our family, and for the deep sense of gentle alignment in Raj and Samantha's journey. As a family, we feel so proud of how they are walking forward, with calm dignity, honesty, and a steadiness that only comes when two hearts choose the same path with intention." About their support, Sheetal added, "And as a family, we stand by them together, fully, joyfully, and without hesitation, blessing them and supporting them in every way." She further reflected on the rituals, saying, "Doing these Isha rituals together as a family on such a sacred day felt like life aligning itself in the most beautiful way. It reminded me that some relationships don't just happen, they arrive with peace. As I light the sesame oil lamps, my heart prayed for only one thing: may everyone find a love that feels this peaceful, this steady, and this right. Samantha responded in the comments, expressing her gratitude. Love you. This wedding marks a beautiful new chapter for Samantha and Raj as they step forward with love, peace, and family blessings. When it comes to lighting up a wedding, no one does it better than Ranveer Singh. And when it's a ghar ki shaadi, the energy naturally goes off the charts. Recently, the Dhurandhar actor attended a cousin's wedding in Goa along with his wife, Deepika Padukone, and together, they stole the show. Ranveer was seen performing his brotherly duties with love and pride as he accompanied the bride to the altar. Full of warmth, charm, and his signature enthusiasm, he brought the house down with a power-packed performance that had everyone cheering. Dressed in stunning red outfits, Deepveer looked absolutely gorgeous. An inside video showed the two whispering sweet nothings to each other during the fairas, sharing adorable moments while surrounded by family. Another viral clip, believed to be from the after-party, captured Ranveer grooving with his family to a popular track from his upcoming film. His energy lit up the dance floor, making the night unforgettable. Ranveer is now gearing up for a grand return to the big screen with his highly anticipated film Dhurandhar. The movie features an impressive cast including Arjun Rampal, R. Madhavan, Akshay Khanna, and more. Actress Sara Arjun will be seen romancing Ranveer in this action-packed film, directed by Aditya Dhar, the filmmaker behind Uri, The Surgical Strike. However, the film recently faced opposition. Family members of late Major Mohit Sharma raised concerns that the story draws inspiration from the brave soldier's life without proper authorization. His parents approached the Delhi High Court, requesting a stay on the film's release. The court did not stop the release but asked the CBFC to fast-track the certification process and carefully review all objections raised by the family. With wedding celebrations, viral moments, and a major film on the way, Ranveer Singh once again proves he knows how to stay in the spotlight, both on screen and off. The internet was left stunned when actress Samantha Ruth Prabhu announced her second marriage. On 1st December, she tied the knot with the family man director Raj Nidimoru of the popular duo Raj and DK. The intimate ceremony took place at the Ling Bhairavi temple inside the Isha Yoga Center near Coimbatore. Only close friends and family attended, keeping the entire event peaceful and private. Samantha shared the first pictures on social media, looking radiant in a beautiful red Banarsi sari. While her stunning look caught everyone's attention, the talk of the town quickly became her ring, which is reportedly valued at around 1.5 crore rupees. But that wasn't the only surprise. On their wedding day, Raj gifted Samantha something truly special, a beautiful house in Jubilee Hills, Hyderabad. He reportedly handed her the keys himself, creating a lifelong memory she will cherish. Samantha and Raj are said to have fallen in love while working together on Citadel. During that time, Raj also supported her through her health struggles. Their bond grew naturally and steadily. There were rumors floating around about Raj being spotted with his daughter. But the truth is different. As reported, he doesn't have a daughter, and the kid he was spotted with is his co-director Krishna DK's daughter. Raj was previously married to Shamali De. The two officially divorced in 2022, and he later found love again with Samantha after their collaboration on Citadel. Samantha recently said, "Faith makes you superhuman," and today, those words seem to carry a deeper meaning as she begins a new chapter with Raj Nidimoru. With a heartfelt wedding, a beautiful gift, and new beginnings, Samantha and Raj's story has taken everyone by surprise. As fans celebrate their union, the couple steps forward into a fresh, hopeful future.